Mphumelelo Mseleku want to get married to another girl. Her name is Fortunate. Mphumelelo have to take a break. It looks like every season Mphumelelo have to bring different girlfriends because of the content. You have to stop all those things he is doing because Mayeni, she is going to be tired. Mayeni and Amahle now, they don't fix their relationship. Mayeni doesn't accept Amahle with her all heart because they have to have a bond. And now Mpumelelo decide to bring another woman again. That's why Mayeni, she doesn't want to support Mpumelelo because it's like drama he is doing. Musamseleku, he is better because I think Musamseleku was the one who is giving Mpumelelo pressure that he have to get married in a young age. Musamseleku dated Mangwawe, Makumalo, Masaule, and Mayeni at the same time. The way Mpumelelo you want to do, maybe you want to have got 5 wives or 6 wives, I don't understand. Because Mpumelelo, he is in 20s of age, and those girls he is marrying, you know that Tirelo is older than Mpumelelo with the age. Even the body, you can see Tirelo, her body is bigger. Even the age, they have got a difference of 1 year. Mpumelelo, he is older than Fuyokazi. With Fuyokazi, they have got a difference of 4 years or 3 years with Fuyokazi. And now it's Fortunate. I don't know Fortunate and Amahle because even with Amahle, you can look at her body. Amahle, she is too big to Mpumelelo, what I saw. Because those girls, guys, if Mpumelelo, he is still in 20s, what about he is in 30s? Those girls, guys, they are going to have big bodies than him, and they are older than him with the age. And now Mpumelelo took Amahle, even took Fortunate. Fortunate, even you look at her body, she is big again. Mpumelelo, you have to know, and he is still young. That's why Mayeni was telling Mpumelelo, you have to wear a condom because those girls sometimes they are coming from other relationships. I don't know that Mpumelelo can test them or what. About Musamseleku is better sometimes, but he is like his father Musamseleku, because even Musamseleku got married to Makuma Lomangwawe. Those people, they have got kids outside with other men. It's the way Mpumelelo he is doing. Mpumelelo is better because he doesn't marry a woman who have a child, but it's too much the way he is doing. Mayeni, that's why she doesn't want to be involved, because she knows that once she involved on Mpumelelo's drama, those girls, they will end up being complaining to Mayeni. So it's a lot. What I saw to Mpumelelo, he have to give Mayeni a break, or maybe you want to have content. But we know that Loahle now, he is the one who have content, because the people are giving more attention on Loahle and his girlfriend. The situation was going on with the DNA test. People now on season 4, they don't give more attention on Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo, you have to know, because what I saw Mpumelelo, he want to be on top only. He is bringing different women to have content to trend on social media. After trending on social media, they have got life. Yes, we know that they are getting a lot of money, but even the drama was enough about Amahle and Tirelo than to bring, because they have to have a bond with Mayeni to accept Amahle, and took some of the 3 years or 4 years and take another wife. Even you want to have Istanbul, I think he is doing too much to Tirelo, because now he is supposed to get married again to Tirelo, but we can see that he is in rush again to take another woman. He have to take a break, that boy. We know that he is doing content. Even with Amahle, those people, they don't spend time together. Mpumelelo spend time with Tirelo, what I saw. Other girls, it's all drama. Even you can see all the time they are shooting is Ngane Zestembo. Even with Fuyokas. That's why Fuyokas leave that marriage. She saw that Mpumelelo, he want to play with them. He want to make money with those girls. That's why those girls at other side, they want to make money again with him. You understand? Because no one who can allow those things can happen, guys. Because they want numbers. They want to have content only. You understand? Mpumelelo, you have to take time because they are going to have misunderstanding with Mayeni.